Hi everyone, I'm Kate Wall. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to start with some video clips that I took just last week. These yellow flowers are commonly known as golden trumpet flowers. These are the national flowers of Brazil. As I was observing and taking photos of the flowers, I saw something interesting. There are a lot of birds on the trees. This type of bird is called red-whistered bulbul. It is a medium-sized songbird native to Asia. There are a lot of them in Hong Kong. And did you see this? These birds are eating the petals of the flowers. No wonder why these flowers fall off while they were still blooming. I can easily pick up something fresh under the tree. So let's start. These flowers are in bright yellow, but I would like to use a bit of orange color to create a complementary gradient. These flowers look like they have 5 petals, but it really is just one trumpet-like tube if you have a chance to take a closer look. They grow in clusters and there is no leaf at all during the blossom period. The way these flowers grow are bouquet-like, so I'm painting a few flowers facing different directions to have variations. I have to make sure that they all grow from one point. If you're new to traditional Chinese painting, please check out the color that I use from the description below. Since there is no leaves during the blooming period, I'm just gonna use just ink to paint the branches. Now I'm going to paint the bird, the red-whiskered bulbul, which is a brown with white chest, featuring a tall black crest and small red patches on the ears and under the tail covert. For the white color in traditional Chinese painting, you may use some white color or simply leave it blank. For this painting, I'm going to just leave it blank. I've got a couple of different types of white color that I'm gonna share with you how they work in some other future videos. So if you're new to my channel and interested in my sharing of Chinese painting, please consider subscribing and press the bell notification button so that you don't miss out the new updates. Spring is the best time of the year to get inspirations for painting flowers. Of course, I can always go buy some cut flowers any time of the year to paint, but I would prefer to see the flowers in a natural environments like the park or gardens, so that I know how they naturally are grown, like their trunks or branches or stems or leaves, which are important to the form of the flowers. Now I'm adding a couple more flowers here on this painting and see how it goes. of the flowers had some deeper lines on one side or on one big petal, so I'm gonna just use orange color to paint those lines. The stamens are deep in the middle of the trumpet, but I'm gonna just exaggerate it by showing a few. Now I'm going back to the bird and add a few small patches of red on the ears and the tail covered. And then the feet. You really have to wait till the first layer of the ink is dry before you do that, otherwise they will be merged together. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. I'll see you next time.